So I'll go like this. So the only thing I'm going to do is to go in with some seasoning. Some salt, just a little bit of salt. You don't want the fish to be salty, okay? Ginger and garlic paste. Okay. I'm going to add some habanero pepper. These are the yellow ones. Then I'll add half onion, okay? Like this. I grease this pan with a little bit of vegetable oil, so I'll just go in with this one. Hopefully they all fit. This way or this way? I can do this way. This is going into the oven, okay? So guys, I'm gonna come in here with my dipping sauce. Okay, so here we go guys. A very simple, quick and easy meal to make.